YouTube, my name is Ashley and welcome back to my channel. As of late, I've been getting quite a few comments about the way I blend my eyeshadow, so I figured I would do a video on today's look and then I'll keep them going after that. So today being St. Patrick's Day, we're gonna do a green ombre look. So let's get started. First, obviously hair goes up always for me. And I usually use this ultra light moisturizer by Marcelle. On days where I find my skin is a little drier, I actually use this fresh coconut and watermelon body moisturizer by HEMPZ. It's so nice, it smells so good. So I've already applied that to my face and let it dry a bit. And this is my lovely makeup bag. I got it at Shoppers, and it's got a little pouch at the top and then all my shit inside it. So, of course I always start with foundation. I use Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage by NYX. My shade is Porcelain. Of course I'm just going to apply that with a sponge, a beauty blender. I have already wet it, so it's good to go. Put this on here. And make sure to get right in the corner. I do love the way that this foundation goes on. It feels really lightweight, it's really smooth. It doesn't look powdery after it dries. And some on the forehead. Okay. I think we got it all. I don't have a mirror, so I'm actually just looking into my phone while I do this, so hopefully we good. Now, normally, I would also apply concealer, which I also have by NYX. I found that the foundation has been enough for me, so I haven't been wearing concealer on top of that lately. Next I'm going to apply bronzer. I don't have a contouring kit. I literally just go in with bronzer. So I'm using the Sun Shimmer by Rimmel. This one is in 000 Gold Princess. I set my brush here. It's by Quo. So I like to just start with the sides first and then just be careful not to apply too much, because then it'll just look like you have a really bad tan. Also do down the sides of your neck, just so it blends. I'm sure if I turned sideways you would have seen the line. So I go up and down the side of my face here, along the top. Of course, again, down this side of the neck. I like to make sure I do the sides of my chin. It'll also help this stand out a bit more. I try to do the underneath of my nose. I don't know if it really does anything, but I feel like it does. And of course the center of my forehead, between the brows. There we go, between the brows. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Now, I go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. If you haven't seen my swatch test, I'll link it up in one of these corners. Be sure to check it out. This palette I bought for 20 bucks and it is friggin' fantastic. Yes, I'm one of these people. I keep the plastic. The mirror I'm gonna wipe off because it's filthy. The powder. Look at all those colors. I'm so excited. Okay. So what I actually usually do is I'll go in with this color here as my highlighter. It's like, it'll focus. Nah. Yeah, I just apply it with my finger. On two sides over the Cupid's bow. See, it kind of like, it just makes your lips pop. A little bit on the end of the nose. And then if I find that I do want a little bit more shine, I'll just go over that cheekbone again. I'll do the same. This is my other little makeup bag. I literally had this thing for forever. I'm pretty sure if you're a makeup artist and you're watching, you're about to cringe really hard, so warning. I actually, for my makeup brush, I use one of these with the insertable applicators. And because I've recently done a green look, I'm actually going to use the same applicator. So, it's already green. But literally, like, I will do my whole look with just one of these. I have a brush set. Honestly, like, it's much easier for me to just, like, grab this and just use it. Well, that is there. I also always do, every look gets a layer of eyeshadow, pencil, and white. This is also from NYX. So I always put down this layer because it'll make your colors pop more. And oops. I don't worry about like blending this out too much because again we're going to be going over it. We can blend it. I'll do that though. The sides or the ends don't really matter for me because I'm going to go in with a darker color. Again, bear with me, but I don't have a mirror set up for this. Good enough? Good enough. I usually curl my lashes beforehand, so just obviously also by Quo. I've already done that before I started the video. And now we can go add color. So I'm gonna go in, none of these shades have color, so I'm just gonna go in first with this lighter shade, and then we're gonna go in probably with this darker green here. Yeah, this one I like compared to this, and this one's like a nice green. This one's got a bit of a yellow tone to it. So for St. Patrick's Day, I want to do like, I'm gonna stick with the yellow green theme. I unfortunately wish I had like some gold liner, but I don't. So it's just gonna be green eyeshadow. We're gonna put some black eyeliner on. Man, I don't even have like glitter. So I'm going to apply this over most of the middle. I do blend it up just a bit here too, because I know like when I open my eyes, it's going to imprint on the top. So I just put it there to begin with. Cool. So instead of like getting a new applicator, I'm just going to flip it over and use the back side. So I'm gonna go in with this darker one here. It's kind of like a really nice emerald. Yeah. Now, so I will use a piece of Kleenex as my like line. So like I will put it up against my line here. And then this is my outer color. And I just blend it in as I go here. I also blend it up so that when I look up, this is going to be covered too. Pull it away and I have like a nice line. And it also prevents all the fallout from happening on my face. So it's a little silly, but it's easy and it works. I'll also like reuse the Kleenex. So obviously for like this side, I'm going to use the same area. You can see there's like pink there from a look that I did before. And I just pat it on and then blend it out as I get over the middle part. And it's like how I do most of my looks. I always have at least 2 colors, sometimes 3 if I want to go even darker. At the end of all that, I always put white in the center, or in the center of the inner corners. So this I have, it's just by Marcelle. And it's gonna focus. There we go. Just hard to see because it's shiny. Okay, so I like to pull inwards as well as out a little bit, just trying to blend it. I don't want it to be like fully white there, I just want it like that little shade there. And then like white in the corners. Some people will do it more subtly. I like it to be like white. I just like the way it pops. Okay. Yay. Sometimes I like to do this too, where I'll blend it out just a little bit. Can go there, this can go here, that can go here. I kind of like to like clean up, put away as I'm working. my plastic back on here because we won't be needing the palette anymore. And yes, I always put it back in its holder. Because again, that's the kind of person I am. So for my mascara, I use Lash Blush by CoverGirl. Honestly, I've used this stuff since like this brand since like high school, and I've tried a few other ones, but I've always come back to this one specifically. I love the brush on it. It doesn't clump. It goes on really nicely. Okay. So always I leave it to last is my cat eye, which I use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It's the one that has like the straight edge, oh my god, the thinner tip. Again, since I don't have a mirror, it's gonna be really awkward to do like this, so I'm actually just gonna step out and do my liner. I'm also gonna switch my top to show you guys what I would be pairing it with today, and probably switch my earrings out too, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look I am gone with today. Just a simple green top. I've paired it with some black leggings. I've swapped out my earrings to my lovely 4-leaf clover ones. Alternative option would be these really nice gold ones I have, but I went with the clovers for good luck, right? Yeah, so this is the look with the hair up. I usually wear my hair down, and not fully down. I actually usually half up, half down. So, I'm gonna tie that. And this would be the look with the hair down. So aside from adding maybe like some gold glitter along the tops, or if I had like little mini 4-leaf clovers, I would stick them here. That'd look really cool. But I have none of that, so this is what I get. This is what you get. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to hit like. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. If you want to see certain color palettes together. I have a few ideas in mind of like other looks I've already done, so I'm excited to record those and get those out there to you. And yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe and that notification bell so that you get notified every time I do put out a new video. And we will catch you in the next one. Bye!